how to make money on Upwork as a logo animation expert. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button to create our account. So here, make sure to join as a freelancer, like that, apply as a freelancer. Then you will proceed to filling out the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. Then click on create my account. For me, I've already created my account, so just wait for me to log in. Type my password, wait for them to verify it's me, and here you proceed to creating your profile. And as you can see, this is the last step of creating the profile. 10 out of 10. So let's start from the first steps. Let's go back. And here, this is the first step. So let's get started. First, answer these questions with the right answers. First, have you freelanced before? It's good, I'm brand new to this. For me, you can choose a different answer than me. That's based on your situation. Same thing with this other question. Then make sure to check all of these boxes. They're all important, even the third one. Then click on next to create a profile. And here you have three options to choose from. If you want to import your profile from LinkedIn, or you want to upload your resume if you already have it in your desktop in a PDF file, or if you want to fill it out manually, it will take less than 15 minutes. So obviously I'm choosing the third one. And here, enter your skill. And this is not my skill. I'm a logo animation expert. Then click on next to add your experience. And here, click on the plus button to add your previous work experience. Same thing with education as well. You can add your education in here, your education history. Then you proceed to add in the languages. So here you can add as many languages as you can speak, and English is a must. As you can see, all profiles include this. And here you have English is a must. So here let's choose our level in English. For me, it's conversational. And here you can add languages. So you can add as many as you can speak. For me, I can speak Arabic as well. And my level in it is native. My Arabic is my native language. And I can add French as well. I studied French in school. So let's go with French. And my level in it is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you can enter as many skills as you have. The maximum is 15 skills. So let's go with logo animation, animation expert, logo design, and logo. Then click on next to write an overview. And here write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. So here you can enter a bio for your profile. So this is an example of a bio. As you can see, there is a small talk and some bullet points. So here, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and type I'm a logo animation expert. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and it will give you a very good bio. Then click on next. Then just take that bio and paste it in here. So for me, I'm just going to take Marty's bio. I don't want to make the video too long by going to ChatGPT. Then click on next to choose your categories. And here, what are the main services that you offer? So here you can search for services. So I'm going to go with Let's search design and creative, art and illustration, branding and logo design, graphic, editorial and presentation design. Let's go with that, and that's all we have. Then click on next to set your rate. So here let's choose $30 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you can choose your date of birth, country, street address, and all of these information. Then you upload your photo. So guys, make sure to show client the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with creating your profile, this is how you're going to improve it. I'm going to log out first to show you how you can improve your profile. So here I'm going to go back to the main page. And here, go to the search box and type your skill. So the idea is that we're going to search for the people that are doing the same skill like us and see the highest earners in that category, and make sure to follow everything that they're doing and try to imply that to our profile. So here we have 60 grand, more than 100 grand. I think this is the highest earner for now. Let's see if we can find someone else. 70 grand, but it's not enough. 50, it's not enough. 500 grand. So I think this is the most earner in this category. Let's check the third page to see if we can find someone that can beat him. 300, more than 500. So there is 2. That's even good. That's even better. So here we have 2 to get inspiration from. We have this one and the other one. So just make sure to see what are they doing differently and make sure to copy that. And in order to find work in this platform, go to find work, click on find work for your skills. And here just type your skill in here and you'll see all of the listed jobs that are looking for the same skill like yours. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.